Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna hit some yard sales. And we're gonna hit them hard. You're gonna have to bear with me today because I'm feeling a little froggy. But we're not gonna let that stop us because the yard sales in our area are in full swing. It's a beautiful day today and we're ready to make some money. Today we got the old trusty GoPro strap. All right, let's go. Are you ready? No. Okay. How much are these?
$10.
Okay. Sounds good.
Oh yeah.
How much are your bags?
Baby, Jordan?
Yeah.
I think those, yeah.
How much are?
Oh no, those are mom. The fossil I was doing for 10. Mom. This one. Which one? The Harley. Oh, it's only.
Okay. Yeah.
How much is a bag? Bag? $5. You guys ride?
No, we have some friends that do though.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
All right.
That one you just take off the rear seat and lay it over the fender and put the rear seat back on it. And it's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna get the boots in there. So I think it's 16. So that first yard sale was amazing. Even though I'm kind of kicking myself that we didn't get more. You'll see why in a minute. But we did score some really great items.
First, we got these Harley Davidson boots right here. They're in amazing condition. They have this little zip on the sides of them. After looking up the model number on the inside tag of these, we were pleasantly surprised to find that they were going for about $80.
Sticking with the Harley theme, we got this cute little crossbody purse. She only charged us $1 for this. And pretty much anything Harley for $1, you can pretty much bet that it's going to be good. We should be able to get about 20 bucks for this.
Obviously, this family liked to ride motorcycles. We found some Willie and Max here, a saddlebag. They're not Harley Davidson, but they could definitely go on one. Saddlebags are for the purpose of laying across the back of the seat of the motorcycle to give the rider some extra storage space.
The ones that we found are genuine leather and they have absolutely no condition issues whatsoever. There's none listed used on eBay, but they are selling in new condition for $150. So I think it should be safe to say that we should be able to get at least 80 to 100 bucks for these. So the thing I'm really kicking myself for are these motocross boots that you actually see me pick up. I just didn't even ask him about these because I didn't know the brand, but I will from now on for sure. The brand is called Alpine Star.
And we won't be forgetting this brand anytime soon after that fatal blow.
I also possibly should have picked up this fossil purse that you can see in the video. I just really don't know anything about bags and I didn't know if $10 would be a good price for this. Let us know down in the comments if you would have picked that up. So as you can see, that next yard sale was mostly furniture, but I'm glad I stopped in because there was a little section of shoes.
And there we found some Nike shoes with the TV show Friends on, but they were asked at $50 for it. And that's about retail, about what they're going for on eBay.
But they did have 2 pairs of Heelys that she was asking $10 a piece on. If you don't know about Heelys, you should definitely look these up. They basically are shoes with a wheel in the heel so that you can just run around and kind of skate wherever you go. She was asking $10 a piece for these, but I asked her if she would take $15 for both. She took it.
It looks like we'll be able to get $40 to $50 each for these.
Oh, no, señor.
For the mic?
Is this your sale?
Yes.
How much are your hats?
They're $4 each.
Okay, cool.
They're all samples, so they're brand new. Nobody's ever used them.
Cool. Stay. Alright, I got 5 of them, so I think that's 20 right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that the face of victory? Victory?
I believe so.
As you can see at this yard sale, we scored a lot of hats, 14 to be exact. So we paid around $3.50 a piece for them, so that's around $49.50 bucks. And we should be able to get $20, $25 a piece for them. Most of them were these Jack Daniels hats, but Morgan did pick up a couple other ones.
I just thought both of these were kind of cool, especially this spray one. I felt like it was really unique, so I just took a chance on it. We haven't found any sold comps on either of these, so we're thinking probably 15 bucks. So conservatively, if you save $20 per hat times 14 hats, that's $280 gross. So we have to calculate 15% of that total number for the eBay fees. That comes out to about $42 for fees. And these are really light, so they're gonna go first class shipping. So we'll factor in about a $4 average cost for each one to ship. That should be around $60. So when you take off the eBay fees and the expected shipping costs, you're left with an expected profit of $178.
That right there is not too bad for a couple hats. After we went through all the yard sales that we could find that day, we popped into a Goodwill.
So we scored some pretty good deals in that Goodwill, but we also got some bread and butter kind of things too.
We picked up this Field and Stream shirt right here. It's new with tags on it. Usually don't pick this brand up, but it was going for about $20 when we looked it up.
Next, we got this Sierra Designs. It's a little rain jacket. I just picked this up because it was like a lightweight rain jacket. Probably go between $20 and $25. And we got these hydraulic jeans. These are the Bailey micro boots. Normally, I wouldn't pick up hydraulic, but if you can find them with these different kind of style names right here, they tend to go for pretty good. This particular pair should go for around $30. And then we got this dry erase finish. Apparently you can turn any wall into a dry erase board, and this looks like it should go for around $40.
Next, we found this big Kuji wool coat. Not everything Kuji is an automatic pickup, but if you can find some of their colorful sweaters, they go for a pretty good bit. But this big jacket right here is a 3XL, and it should go for about $80.
And then I found at the last second this Obey Propaganda raincoat. It looks like it should go between $40 and $50. So the last item we ended up getting were these Glister toothpaste packs. We ended up getting 147 of these. But we saw on eBay that if we lot these up in big packs of 10, they should go for $30 a piece. So we have enough of these to do 14 lots of 10, which should be a gross sales of $419.
So after eBay fees and shipping costs, it's a rough estimation of around $285.
So that just goes to show that these really didn't look like much, but when you lot things together, it's pretty good. So we really hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope that you will subscribe and come back for more. We're really excited about things that we have planned for the future.
But until then, stay peachy.